Ka Women's College Shillong ha ka jingi snok tilang bat ka Miranda House Delhi hini ka sngi kila Pynlong ya ka Jingiamir Jingmut ka bashisngi Halor ka Phang bridging the mind gap north east and mainland ka jingtmu jong kene ka Jingiamir Jingmut ka long ban penyadai yakinong song snong basa ha ki rithor ka India bat kinong song snong ka than sti lammi ngi ha ka ba ki patba jong ka than sti lammi ngi bunsin ki sngo ba ki sha e ben yakni ka Jingiamir Jingmut la pli da secretary ka North Eastern Council o Moses Chalai but haba ajing kren hakani ka sngi ula ong ba ka jingtai yakari kawan hakirukom ki babun kum ki jinglong jong ki jaka ki history ki ktien ki jingyok mentoi ba markiliang
throughout the world. And sir, I have written a poem.
This is it's an age of information and technology. And technology is, I mean, today we are taking things for granted, but we are sitting in different places, including the friends on the screen, and yet we can work out things together. So, because of technology, though of course, physical meeting still is, I think, still irreplaceable in some respects. But no, we can still try to make up as much as we can with technology, and this is the time of technology.
La Pynlong ya ka jingyalang jong ka Jawai block Trinamul